If you think your child needs help in all the academic subjects, then we recommend YTC's Premium Academic Tutorial for you. The Premium Academic Tutorial is the parent's choice. All the features why YTC is parent-approved Tutee-tested are in this program. The Premium Academic Tutorial is essentially YTC's center-based, face-to-face, monthly unlimited tutorial, but this time to respond to the challenges of the new schooling, delivered online, and modified for maximum e-learning. YTC's Premium Academic Tutorial is designed for students from grades 1 to 6 who need homework assistance, reinforcement of lessons, review for quizzes and assessments, and consistent follow-up in 6 academic subjects, namely math and science, reading and language, Filipino and Araling Panlipunan, or social studies. Every online session focuses on the student's individual academic needs. Lessons are reinforced through live online teaching. Homework assistance is prioritized. Students review with the tutor for the announced and scheduled quizzes and tests. Each student's performance and progress are constantly monitored during the live online teaching learning sessions and followed up depending on need through uploading of relevant learning materials. When needed, additional relevant instructional materials in the form of worksheets and practice tests are uploaded. The center head could also schedule a separate online conference with the parents to discuss the students' progress and learning needs. YTC's Premium Academic Tutorial uses Zoom for live teaching and interaction. When needed, relevant learning materials for follow-up and reinforcement are uploaded in the classwork within the assigned Google Classroom. Tutees and tutors use the stream in the same assigned Google Classroom to communicate. Daily, for 1 month, the student, depending on grade level, joins a small group of 5 to 7 other students in live online sessions conducted for each of the 6 academic subjects. Each student will also have his own access to the learning materials uploaded based on his individual academic needs. We are here to listen. Message us on Facebook or visit our website. YTC is still your partner for learning continuity. See you soon at YTC's e-learning.